Pardon the terrible lighting. What are we doing, Mom? We're going to breakfast?
Yes, and it's raining.
We're on, what's the name of this beach?
Cenang. Ready?
Yeah. This place. Delicious.
Much approved. Julie approves.
I have to come try Thursday tonight. Even though it's only Tuesday. I get it. It's a dad joke restaurant.
I'm the ice cream queen.
Okay, come on, ice cream queen.
Yay!
So it looks like the sun is coming through the clouds right now. And it's beautiful here. Starting the vlog early, if you'll notice right over there, there is a parasail person really close to the island. And there's two other parasails over here, some banana boats. You don't see any jet skis at the moment? Pulling out now. Reagan over there enjoying some Oreos. Austin digging in the sand. Julie creeping with her phone. And two of us here. How much did we spend?
That's what I'm looking on.
She said she was looking and she got distracted. So here's our place in life at this point in time. My $1 gargantuan 500 milliliter beer with some sand on the bottom. Yeah, so $1.
One set of chairs, so 2 chairs for $4.37.
So we got all the chairs. Well, we got 4 chairs, there's only 4 here.
So 40. Oops. Here. So 40 is $8.73.
She's an island girl. She's gonna go draw on a paper. She's gonna want to get dirty or get back in the water. She's an island girl with the island mom. Oh wait, look at that.
It's a turning airplane.
And this flag in the foreground here is the Langkawi flag, the geopolitical district. I don't know what. Is there an Air Malaysia?
Yeah.
That's
Malaysian
what,
Airlines.
yeah, that's what Oh, to Kuala Lumpur. Made it 3 meters and realized that this isn't sand at all. It's seashells. It's hard as to walk on. Not hard, just painful.
There were these two bumps that had seashell castles, like little sticks with seashells on them. I smoothed them out and I made an ice cream.
Nice. What's Austin doing?
Beep beep. I'll just make him one something down, you know.
Some mighty tropical feeling water. So if you're ever thinking to yourself, life sucks, come here. Seriously, why not? You can get a room for like 30 or 40 bucks a day. You can eat, I would say you could probably score breakfast or $2 US. Maybe 3. You could score, wait, no, for sure, yeah, $2. You could score breakfast, water, and a roti with egg. Let's see, those big 500 milliliter beers are just over $1 US. It's awesome. You could score dinner if you chose to for $3 or $4, maybe less. Watch the jets take off. Life is good.
It's a lot more than I was anticipating. It's a little foamier than I had thought.
You scored a lot more toward your mouth than you expected. No, I'm here to join in situations. Did we teach you how to fly a drone?
No, it's a little windy and a little airplaney. But I do like this.
A little what?
It's a little too windy and a little too airplaney for me to feel comfortable.
Excuses are like
But
Austin's.
What?
Hey, bud.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
don't be messing with that.
Wait, you got sand right there. How do you get some?
Oreos too.
I just want Mommy to come play with me.
We're gonna go put our feet in the water. Ow! It's a little ow. It's a little seashelly. Don't get your shorts wet. Oh my goodness, it's so warm. If you go any farther, you're gonna get wet shorts.
Akan berjumpa lagi. Bagi pihak AirAsia, Kapten Eugene, pembantu juruterbang Kugan serta seluruh warna agar. Kapal yang bertugas ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kerana memilih penerbangan AirAsia ke destinasi anda. Dear guests, we have landed at Penang International Airport. For safety, please remain seated. You may now use your mobile phones or tablet in flight mode or connect to your mobile network.